How to have no Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, launch a Snapchat application in your device. Now, if you wish to have no bit emoji on your Snapchat, it only takes a couple of steps. In the left hand side, you will see a bit emoji. Click on it. After which you will see an interface like this. At the top right corner, navigate to the setting gear icon. When you tap on the settings option, you will find all of the available Snapchat settings. From this list, head over and click on Bitmoji. At the bottom, you will see the option Unlink my Bitmoji. Just click on it. For the confirmation, tap on the Remove option. With a simple click, you will be able to remove the Bitmoji on your Snapchat. However, if this feature is not available for you, there might be an update available in your Play Store or App Store, or you need to clear up the cache built up. To do so, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Tap on the Force Stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. By this way, you'll be able to have a no Bitmoji on your Snapchat. And it is a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.